sabi ko na eh, malandi talaga yung babaeng yan.
Sa true, alam mo ba, at talagang si Vice Chairman pang tinarget niya, no?
Excuse me! Hindi kailangan lumandi ng friend ko para ma-promote. At di hamak naman na mas magaling siya sa inyong tatlong combine.
You know what they say? Birds of the same feather. Kung lumandi, together!
Congratulations. You really turned things around.
It was a solid team effort. Without her, I would be lost.
Witness ako sa pagpa-flirt ni Secretary Kim kay BMC.
You got it all wrong. Why would Secretary Kim flirt with me? Ay, girlfriend ko na siya.